jingjiya hakane kawa sela te paralok ngan pene iaphi yaka thi kawa yaka thi ka jaka khwai jong ren te menta ngan yathu no ngan karan no da ka kin fareng broken English te
Ani let
to let you know place no in this river
Ani that that you didn't know
in this river there is a man from this village from Pungweikian village and daily he come here and catching fish. He is a fisherman and he love to catching fish and daily he catching and he catch more fish. Somebody his friend they catching only 2-3 fish like that but Renz he catch more fish. I think when he back home he bring much of fish and see in
Oh my god, English.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help.